Hey guys, it's Danielle with Take Care Mama, and I thought I would do a day in the life from our family cabin. The day starts out with me and the kids alone, and Philip, my husband, joins us later. It was a beautiful weekend, and I took the kids to Itasca State Park, which is semi-near our cabin. We go at least once a year. I love it. If you ever have the opportunity to go, you have to. Side note, right after I filmed that little walking part, I got attacked by some kind of crazy bugs and my legs were burning, but I held it together and we still had a fun day in the woods. So beautiful. The headwaters of the Great Mississippi River start right here at the Itasca State Park. This was a Monday, and I did not expect it to be this crowded, and I realized that every time I usually come here, it's in the fall, so it's just a huge tourist place in the summer, and my husband told me that 1 million people come here every year. James was hanging out in the headwaters of the Mississippi and waiting while Norma and I just watched him and took in all the beauty. We had to stop for some ice cream. James got peppermint bonbon and I got salted caramel. The Visitor Center has a really cool map that shows the Mississippi River's travels from northern Minnesota all the way to the Gulf of Mexico. It's pretty cool to see it in this manner. I really want to be a good bonfire maker. I try so hard. I was actually proud of this bonfire that James and I did together, but when Philip arrived, he kind of made fun of it, but I'm trying. And then we pull out Norma's pack and play out by the lake so she can be outside and just enjoy the breeze. So beautiful. James and I go swimming together at least once a day, and can anyone else relate? The worst part is getting your shoulders in the water. So we count to 3 and take the plunge. You guys, this is not an exaggeration. My favorite place in the whole world to be is on a boat. I just love the feelings I feel when I'm on a lake. Hope you enjoyed a little peek into our summer paradise. I hope you have a wonderful day, and until next time, don't forget to take care, Mama. Bye, guys.